Hey, what's up guys? Today we're working on this Ford Focus. We're trying to remove the radio. This should work on a 2005 all the way to 2007 Ford Focus. Now it's really simple. Just get a small flat screwdriver like this one, and we're gonna pry open this side right here, and it should come out really fast and simple. Now just pull all the other sides. Watch out, this area is really fragile, you can break it, so just try to get it from below first, and then just pull there. Now what you have to do is just put the car, like put it on a different gear, go lower, and you can turn it off. And close the door, and this will fall like this. Now we have to remove four screws that go here. There's two on this side and two on the other side. You can use a 7mm socket to remove the screws. And just do the same one on this side as well. Once removing those four screws, you can already pull the radio out. And we're gonna get here to where the cables are. Right here you can pull this out quick and simple, and then right here you can just press this button down and it comes out just like that. That's it guys, as simple as that. You can remove the radio for this Ford Focus. It's really easy to remove it on these cars. So I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please give a big thumbs up to this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, peace.